Welcome back, Captains. This is Yatta Stafari, Fleet Ambassador for Starfleet Special Command. I'm here today with video 2 of our 3-part ship build series, my heavy escort carrier, the USS Loch Ness. As I stated in our ship build series intro, I'm going to be breaking down my build into 8 parts. Let's get started. First off, we're going to go over the ship build itself. Starting on the foreweapons, got 2 advanced fleet phaser dual heavy cannons, damage times 2, accuracy times 2. 2 advanced fleet photon torpedo launchers, damage times 3, accuracy times 3. Right now I am running the Mako Mark 11 set, impulse engines and shield. And on the warp core, as I stated in the Defiant build, same engine, field stabilizing warp core, Mark 11 green. Aft weapons, advanced fleet phaser turret, damage times 2, accuracy times 2, and the board kinetic cutting beam. Devices, subspace field modulator, weapons battery, engineering slots, assimilated module, torpedo point defense system, neutronium alloy. Science consoles. Right now I'm running 2 field generators. I have been playing with this emitter array, swapping it in and out, just seeing how it does. I haven't really decided on which way I'm going to go with it yet. I'm probably going to leave these 2 field generators there. And I've also been swapping the point defense system down to this science console slot and adding another neutronium. That's kind of the 3 things I've been rotating through there, just trying to see which one's going to be better, but I'm kind of settling on this right here for now. Tactical consoles, photon detonation assembly, tactical phaser relay, and 2 blues. I'm slowly upgrading to purple. And the new addition, the advanced Scorpion fighters. Just got those today from the Romulan reputation. Alright, I'm going to go over our captain skills real quick. It's the same captain skills from the first video, so I'm just going to scroll through them. I will annotate the Hilbert guide where I got this from. Alright, move on to my captain traits. Alright, go to my bridge officers. Commander Tactical, Tactical Team, Attack Pattern Beta 1, Torpedo High Yield 3, Cannon Rapid Fire 3, Torpedo High Yield 1, Cannon Rapid Fire 1. And on the Ensign Tactical, got a Tactical Team 1. Lieutenant Commander Engineering Station, Emergency Powered Shields 1, 2, and an emergency powered weapons 3. Right now I've been kind of swapping these out, going between the emergency powered weapons 3 and the reverse shield polarity 2. I've seen it go both ways. Sometimes it works really well with the emergency powered weapons, and sometimes it works really well with the shield polarity. I guess it really depends on what's going on in an STF and which STF you're running, but for right now I've been leaving it with the emergency powered weapons because that gives you a little damage boost right there. For the Lieutenant Science Station, running the hazard emitters and the transfer shield strength. Alright, we'll go ahead and go to my duty officers. Right now duty officer is running 3 purple projectile weapons officers. That is actually helping out a lot with the torpedoes. These 2 torpedoes, and with those 3 you get a pretty steady stream of photon torpedoes. I have tried the quantum torpedoes. It works either way. I just figured I'd with the, since I added the torpedo point defense system, kind of make it even all the way across. Just trying that out also. On to the next one. Got an energy weapons officer. I'm still undecided on this one. It seems like it helps out, but I might find something else that might do a little bit better there. And then the damage control engineer. that deals with the emergency power to subsystems. It's the transfer shield strength and the emergency power to weapons. Alright, get out of this, go ahead and go to my reputation. As of a couple hours ago, I just started my last project to get tier 5. So I'm about 17 hours away from that. On the Task Force Omega, I'm running the Omega Weapon Proficiency, Omega Weapon Training, Regenerative Shield Augmentation, Omega Graviton Amplifier, and then once I get that, I'll get the Medical Nanite Cloud there. On the Strike Force, I still haven't done anything with this. I'm right here at tier 1. Once I get through a little bit more of the Romulus one, I'll probably go ahead and start dumping some of the stuff into this, try to pick up some of these abilities. Romulus tier 3. Enhanced personal shields, enhanced shield systems, reactive shielding. That's the 3 I've got right now. Next we get out of this, I'm going to show you the keybinds. It's the same keybinds as my Defiant build. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to run through them real quick just to show you. On the keybinds, got emergency power to weapons 3 up front with the 2 emergency power to shields, attack pattern beta, the cannon rapid fires, and the torpedo high yields. Alright, go ahead and knock that off. The last thing we're going to talk about is the Advanced Combat Tracker Parse Log. Again, just like the first video, I ran and then infected the Conduit Elite, and at the end of this video I'll show that, and y'all can take a look at that and see what kind of damage that I'm getting out of this ship, and see what you might get out of yours. But there it is, the USS Loch Ness. I hope this part 2 of the ship video series has been helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact me in game at yatastafark. Stay tuned for video 3 in our series, where we will show off our support cruiser retrofit. This will be an auxiliary to battery build, so it should be interesting. Yatastafark out.